here's the inspo for her dress. Alright, so for part of her dress, I'm going to use this pattern from Violet Field Threads. I liked that it was off the shoulder, and I'm just going to add like that little shoulder piece that sticks out, the white one, and then extend these arms to be longer, kind of like the inspo photo that I shared. I just think this pattern is so beautiful, and it's going to work perfectly for an Aurora dress. So I did extend these patterns by about an inch because she wanted it to fall a little longer down her hips and not so much like right at her waist. She wanted it to be a little lower, so I extended it a little bit. So this is the part I'm really not sure about. This is supposed to be the sleeve extended. I took just a normal sleeve and cut it at the top so it wouldn't have the shoulder piece. But I'm really not sure how this is going to work. It's going to be a lot of trial and error. But so, well, I have one sleeve started. I'm doing a little French seam on this because this type of fabric here that I'm using frays really easily. So I'm doing a French seam, and then one sleeve will basically be done, and then I have to figure out how to attach it to the bodice. Okay, a little bit of trial and error. The French seam did not work. It was way too tight around her wrist. So what I'm going to do is take all the stitching out and use my serger, and then maybe that will give her like an extra ½ inch around her wrist. So I figured out I'm supposed to be ½ inch from this top corner. Where's my ruler? Little strip of gold right there, and the straps. I also want to cut up this and kind of put it along the top of the dress as well. So I think I should do this first before I sew anything else at the top here. All right, so to take this extra stuff off of here, I'm just using this little thread zap pen, and you just push this little button down and it heats up at the end and melts the fabric. So okay, so this is what I am thinking for the top part of the dress. And then I have some extra of this gold that I'm going to attach to the top of these sleeves. I'll just like show you, just kind of wrapping that around the top of the sleeves. So basically this gold is going to wrap around like the entire front of the dress. And then I was thinking I could also add some more like diamond sequins and stuff as well.